are you going? Good morning. I think I will move a little bit to make room on this meadow, because I think they want to feed right here. So I think it's best to position myself on the path. That way I'm not sitting on their breakfast. That would be not so good. You can all go there now. I think they didn't want it to go there after all. I really don't know if I should already set up the camera or follow them and try to see where they actually want to go. Unfortunately, I don't speak Portuguese, so I cannot ask them. Let's move again. Yeah, I think there are conflicts going on between the families. Finally, I can actually start filming a bit. I found a position, the light is super beautiful, and I already got the first sort of interesting scene. Someone came by with a dog, and it was quite a funny shot of the geese parents trying to keep their young ones together and safe, and sort of behind them was running the dog, and it looked pretty funny. So that's already something. That's a start. The geese families now move further that way, but before I follow them or anything, I will have to come back to my little handcar. So I brought these tiny GoPros, and the nicest thing about them is that they are waterproof. And what I want to try and do now is to set up the GoPros underwater here, leave them running, and hopefully the geese families come back eventually. And then maybe I'm lucky that they actually swim past my frame. Appetitlich. Good luck, camera. Okay, let's hope that works. Why I set up the underwater camera? Of course the geese moved again, and now it's time to move the camera again. There comes another family with young ones. The cutest thing is that there's always one young one which basically doesn't realize that its family, wait a second, that the entire family already moved on. Right now they came to drink, and everyone was finished, already continued moving, and one young one stayed behind. And then there always seems to be, like, they still continued drinking normally, but there suddenly seems to be like this moment of realization, like, oh no, my entire family is gone. And then it just starts running to the family, and that's like the cutest thing when they are running and their tiny, tiny wings sort of do like this. Yeah, it's so beautiful, and it just makes you happy watching it. Right now, the family with the two young ones, they lay down to sleep, and it's very cute because because the young ones seem to be trying to get under the wings of their parents. And I'm quite thankful that they have the trust in me to just sleep in front of me now. More geese are coming. So that family is definitely very relaxed with me being here. Oh, they were so close. All the families just moved to the water again, but there seems to be one family which is slowly moving, at least in the direction of my underwater camera. Fingers crossed. So I think I'm getting some of my favorite footage of the day so far. It looks super nice if they're shaking or something. Like you can see all the little water drops. It looks quite wonderful. So now it's been a few hours and I want to get the GoPro out of the water again. Oh, there it is. Okay, I got it. And it was still recording, but I will have to see at home if I actually, I don't know, got any footage with it. This really has been such a wonderful morning, together with all those grey-legged geese families that you can still hear in the background. Hopla. And yes, spring is just my favorite time for filming wildlife, because there's so much happening at once, and baby animals, no matter from which species the young ones are, they're mostly just so adorable and fun to watch, and they just make me so happy when I film them. So it's just the best time to be out in nature and enjoying all the little things you see. And like always, I put together a little sequence with some of the footage I filmed today, and you can now enjoy that sequence. Bye bye. here I am again, and I really hope you enjoyed that little grey-legged geese family sequence. Most importantly, enjoy the spring and all the young animals, and see you soon. Bye bye.